Let me go ahead and quickly show you how you can fully uninstall an application on your Mac without having to use any third-party software. So first of all, you of course want to open the Finder, and after that you can start from whatever folder, but I recommend just going to the applications folder. So here you're going to have all of your different applications, and you simply want to go over to the search bar on top here and go ahead and search for whatever you want. So if I, for example, had the Brave browser installed, then all I would do is go ahead and search Brave right here. After that, we can just go ahead and click away from this, and now it is automatically going to search this Mac for you, and that's where you want to stay. You don't want to go over to applications because we want to be searching this entire Mac. After that, you should see this plus icon here, so just go ahead and click on plus for that, and from here you want to go ahead and choose system files because we want to remove any configuration files and stuff like that as well. If you have never done this before, then system files isn't going to be one of the options here. So in order to find it, just go ahead and click on others right here, and from there just go ahead and search system files. So you'll see that right here. Go ahead and add that to the menu right here. Or you can simply go ahead and double click on it and it will automatically be added. So after that, from system files, you want to simply go ahead and choose the R included version so that you can see all the files. And for me, I don't really have the Brave browser, so I don't get anything here, but you will probably see a bunch of different files here. So to be able to select all of them, just go ahead and click on Command A, and after that you can go ahead and right click and go ahead and trash them. If you do want, after that, you can also go down here to your trash and go ahead and empty the trash by right clicking and clicking on empty trash. And that way it is not going to be indexable on your device either. There are of course third-party tools like Raycast and an old app called App Cleaner, I'm pretty sure, that also does this, but if you don't want to use those, then this method is perfect for you. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you out, and hopefully you can save a bit of space on your Mac.